week 1, day 4. Not gonna lie, my whole body is really sore. And I don't really want to be here, but I'm just gonna push through it and get day 4 done, and then I can have a couple days just to do some cardio and outside nature walks. So here we go. I forgot how much I enjoy Friday workouts. So I basically finished the whole thing in 1 hour. I got there to the gym at 12 and I'm just leaving at 1. So yeah, it was a pretty awesome day. I feel good, even though I still feel tired, but I accomplished something, so that's all that matters.